Hey everyone, this is Ganesh Joshi. In this video, I'm going to share all the very essential information of English. In our previous videos, I told you that how subject and verbs play a very vital role in English. And I explored all the subjects to you. So today, we shall learn in detail the subjects in a informative way. So, as a rule, it has been told to you that there is a rule of English, golden rule, which is called the golden rule of English. If the subject is similar, the verb must be similar, or we can say singular subject contains the singular verb and the plural subject contains the plural verb. Today, we shall understand our subject, this, that, it, these, and those. These are the 5 initial subjects which I have mentioned to you in my previous videos. So, this, that, it, these, and those. Subjects are divided into 2 parts. Some subjects are singular subjects and some subjects are plural subjects. So, I already had divided this into 2 parts. So first is that actually if you analyze this table, you will find that this, that, and it, these all 3 are the singular subject, and these and those are the plural subject. According to rule, this, that, and it will means that all these, this, that, and it will contain is, was, and will be, because all these 3 are the similar verbs. Similarly, when we shall talk about these and those, these will carry are, were, or will be, because these and those are the plural subjects and all these 3 verbs are plural verbs. Another important information which I would like to give you, that English, as I told earlier also, it is merely not a memorizing subject, but it's a skill and it should be studied as the mathematical rules. There is a great limitation with all these subjects. When we use any particular subject, there are very few limited verbs which can be used with that particular subject. Now, if we have this, that, and it, we have only option to use is, was, and will be. If we have got these and those, we have got the option are, were, and will be. Apart from that, modal verbs can be the part of singular and plural sentence. Means that subject, either the subject is singular or plural, modal verbs can be carried with them, because there is no question of singular and plural with modal verbs. So modal verbs means what? All the modal verbs which I can, could, may, might, shall, will, should, would, must, ought to. So, these modal verbs can equally be used with the singular subject or with the plural subject. But these primary auxiliary verbs have the limitations. They are classified in the category of singular and plural verbs. So, let us take few more examples to understand these. So, the first sentence, this is a pen, or it can also be written as this was a pen, or this will be a pen. So, as the subject is singular, so our verb is also singular, and one thing we have to keep in mind, that the complement which we are using at the end of the sentence, it must be singular. We can't write this is pens. It is not right to write this is pens, because if the subject is singular, verb is singular, the complement part must be singular. Let us take another example. this is new, or this was new, or this will be new. Now see these sentences. This is the first sentence in which I completed the sentence with the help of a noun. All these are the nouns. It may be cat, dog, or any naming words, whatever. So the first possibility is that when we have got the subject this, or that, or it, we can complete a sentence with a noun complement. Another possibility is that when we have got this, that, or it, we can complete this sentence with the adjective complement, because all these are the adjectives. So it may be that will be old. It is not any question which adjective are you using, but the condition is same. Either you can complete a sentence with the help of a noun complement, or with the help of an adjective complement, or even with the verb also. As for example, it is raining. In this sentence, this subject it and verb is, it is the helping verb in the sentence, and now it is the main verb in the sentence. When we have got two verbs in a sentence, one primary auxiliary verb and one action word is there, in that case we consider primary auxiliary verb as the helping verb and the action word as the main verb. So we have the possibility of completion of sentence in four ways. First the noun, then adjective, then any action verb, and it may be pronoun also. Example, it is me. Now I have completed the sentence with the help of pronoun. So what are the possibilities we have got? The possibilities we have got, so either a sentence can be completed with the noun, or it can be completed with the adjective, or it can be completed with the action verb, or it can be completed with the pronoun. These are the only possibilities which we have got in these kind of sentences. We cannot complete these sentences with the help of an adverb. We can't write, see, this is fastly. We can't write it. In the same way, these sentences can also be completed with the help of modal verbs. How can we complete it with the modal verbs? These sentences can also be written as example we can say, this can be a dog, or that should be a dog, it will be a dog, this must be a dog, or this may be a dog. So in this way we can write all these sentences. Means that modal verbs can equally be used with singular and plural subjects. These can be dogs. But one thing we have to keep in mind, when you are using the singular subject, we have to use the singular noun complement. And when we are using the plural subject, we have to use the plural noun complement. We can't write these can be dog. It's not correct to write these can be dog. These can be dogs, those can be dogs. It can be a dog, this can be a dog, or that can be a dog. What do I want to tell? I want to tell you that whenever our subject is similar, as well as our helping verb or main verb must be singular. Apart from that, if we are using all the, if the sentence is completed with the help of noun complement, it must be singular or plural. Mean to say, if singular subject is there, the noun complement should be singular. If the plural subject is there, noun complement should be plural. Hope that you are getting all these things in a very fine way. So, now another important thing, this, these, that, and those. What do these words imply? This and these. Actually, these is the plural of this, and this and these are generally used to tell about the things which are far from us or which are away from us. Similarly, those is the plural of that, and these two words, that and those, are used to explore the things which are away from us. Suppose I am near this whiteboard and I can touch this whiteboard. So what can I say? I can say this is a whiteboard. And if there would be two whiteboards, so I might say that these are whiteboards. Similarly, if few things are away from me, if more than two things are away from me, I can say those are windows. If there is only one thing which is away from me, then I can say that is a ball. So I think that the concept is very clear, and these are very small things which are very important in English, and without knowing these things we will not be able to proceed further, because for making a big building we need to add the small bricks together. So these are those points which each and everyone must be knowing. Without knowing these things, we can't elaborate our ideas, and it is not possible to learn English in an effective way. Apart from this, so these are the not only these words, but we can categorize the other verbs also into singular and plural. And I am not explaining all these things in video, otherwise the video will be very lengthy and it will be a very detailed video, and it is difficult to watch it continuously for a long time. So in this video, I hope that you got all the things in a fine way, and in the next video I'll tell you about the remaining subjects. I'll explore all these subjects in a fine way. Till then, keep watching our channel and please like and subscribe so that we could energize in all the effective way. Thank you. Have a nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.